Hi, boys and girls. It's Friday, April 24th, the last day of school for this week. Good job on working so hard on your workbook this week and getting so much done. So, how did you do on your spelling pre-test? Did you know all your words? Did you have some to write on your final test? That's okay. Mrs. Card still has hers up on the wall. Can you read them with me? I'm. Did you remember the capital I and the apostrophe? Where. Did you remember H because where is a question word? Sang. Do the ing words. King, string, thing. What's that ong word? Stir, ong, strong. Sung. Ank words are bank and thank. And the ink words are think and drink and pink. Honk. Trunk. Okay. Which word is a color word? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pink. Good job. Which word is a word that means where you put your money? A place where you put your money. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bank. Good job. Which word is someone who sits on a throne? 5, 4, 3, 2, there it is. 1, what's that? King. Good job. Which word is something that a kitty likes to play with? My kitty loves to play with this. Let's see. Oh, there it is. String. Good job. Which word is something that is a noise that a goose makes? 5, 4, 3, 2, there it is. 1, honk. Did you get the honk? Good for you. Okay, the sound we're going to work on today. Actually, let's do our chart first. We'll do our chart 11 today. We haven't seen this one all week, I don't think. So let's practice that together. I'm going to move these over here. A says in banana. O says in shovel. C says S in city. Remember, because if C comes in front of I, E, or Y, it makes the same sound as S. S. A-U, in faucet. A-W, in saw. Now the E-A sounds. E-A, E in leaf. E-A, in thread. Last one. E-A, A in steak. I-E, in brownie. Lily, I noticed when you were writing something, I forget where I saw it. You had circled I-E in your last name. Eelstra. Good for you. Has anybody else found special sounds in their name? E-Y, E in key. E-Y, A in obey. P-H in phone. C-H in chorus. O-U-G-H-T says ought in thought. Be careful because that's different from the pink chart, isn't it? O-U-G-H says, excuse me, boys and girls. Often enough on the pink chart. Oh, my goodness gracious. A-U-G-H-T says ought in caught. D-G-E says J in fudge. See J there? Makes the same sound. Don't forget, when you hear j at the end of a word, let me pick that back up again. The j will be spelled D-G-E, and it's always followed by a short vowel. Last one. G says j in giant, which follows the same rule as C says s in city, doesn't it? Because when G comes in front of I, E, or Y, it makes the same sound as J says j, like in giant. Now the sound we're practicing today is E-N says N, like in enjoy. Now this is on the purple chart too, but on the purple chart, the line is at the front because on the purple chart, E and N is a word ending, like in sharp, N. But on the pink chart, EN has the line after because the root word, follows N in enjoy. You see? There's N, and then followed by joy. Put them together and you get enjoy. Remember, a word beginning is something that you can take off and you're left with a reasonable word. So if you take off N, you have joy, and then when you add N, you get a whole new word, enjoy. Now, what we're going to do with the words on the back is circle the word beginning and then underline the root word. So I'm just going to get my marker. So I can cover up N in this word, and I can read the root word, which is actually a bumper word. Did you notice that? And this S makes a Z sound. There we go. Close, close. And then when I put N in front, I get enclose. When you put something in a container or an envelope, you're enclosing it in there. Okay, same thing here. I can cover up N. Oh, look, I see J. G says J in giant. And you know how I know? Because of the E. So don't say G, say J when you get to that part. And I also see R in stars. Large, large. When you put N in front, you get enlarge. When you make something bigger, you enlarge it. Like you can enlarge a picture or you can enlarge a photocopy. Okay, we're going to circle N and enjoy. Underline the root word, which is actually a bumper word. Did you recognize grave? Grave. Put N in front and you get engrave. You can engrave a trophy. You can engrave a bracelet. It's where you write with a special tool right into the metal part. Circle N and enjoy. Underline the root word. Another bumper word. Tire. Tire. Add N in front and you get entire. Entire. I ate the entire pizza. Oh, you must have been hungry. Okay, take a look at this. We're going to circle N and enjoy. We're going to underline the root word. And guess what I just spotted? C says S because of the E. So when I read the root word, it sounds like this. Or, there's or in morning. Force. Force. And when you put N in front, you get enforce. Mom enforces the rules at our house. That means she makes me obey. Mom and Dad both, I'm sure. Last one, circle N and enjoy. Underline the root word, which happens to be a regular word. So what does it say? List. List. And when you put N in front, you get N. Enlist. When you sign up for something like a club or for choir or a team, you're joining that club, you're joining that team. So you say, I enlisted. Sometimes people say, I enlisted in the army. Can we read all the N words together? Here we go. What's the first one? Enclose, engrave, enforce, enlarge, entire, enlist. Good job. And an enjoy. Okay. So I think you're ready to do your seat work. And whoops-a-daisy. Is there anything new? Oh, just this part. Did you notice this? It says read to a grown-up. So mark the vowels carefully and then read all the words. Be careful here because you're circling A and pray. I do see other word keys, so you're welcome to circle those too. Careful, you're not asking mommy and daddy to read the word to you. If you don't know what the word is, you can try two things. You can read all the words and see if you recognize what the picture is called, okay? Or read all the words, and if you still don't know what the picture is called, you can ask mom or dad to help you name the picture. But what I don't want mommy and daddy to do is read the words or, read the words for you. I want you to do the reading, okay? And you might say, well, what if I don't know how to read the word? Mark the vowels. That's the trick on the back here. And you're writing about bees today. Don't forget to start your sentence with a number word. Look at all the good action words. Buzzed, collected, soared, slurped, and perched. Bees slurp nectar, don't they? And they collect pollen. Very good. All right. I'll see you in a bit for math. Bye-bye.